Greetings everyone, I'm Dr. Subina Suresh and I'm a general practitioner at Phoenix Hospital. I hold a specialty in family medicine and special interest in lifestyle medicine. In the event of this year's World Heart Day, I would like to emphasize on the importance of lifestyle medicine in developing a healthy heart. We see nowadays a rampant increase in the number of young adults presenting with sudden cardiac events, which could be a heart attack or a sudden cardiac death or even a stroke. What do you think is the cause of this? This is our changing lifestyle, the modernized lifestyle. This is the cost we are paying for it. On that note, I would like to reinforce on the 6 aspects of lifestyle medicine that should be included in our daily life. You can remember it as DES3P. What is D? D is diet. We always talk about diet change. What is a healthy diet? Healthy diet means you include a lot of plant-based nutrition, which is vegetables and fruits in your diet. Avoid red meat. Include whole meal products like whole wheat, rice, oats, whole oats. Avoid processed foods. Include healthy fats and avoid fast food and fried foods. That was first, diet. Second is, I would want to talk about exercise. Exercise, WHO recommended is 150 minutes per week, which could be 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, that is cycling, brisk walking or swimming, or as well as you can do some household activities. Also, you should include 2 to 3 days of muscle strengthening exercise. Here I would like to stress upon the importance of yoga. Yoga is not only good for your body, it is also good for your heart as well as your mind. Okay. Third is sleep. Sleep we neglect nowadays a lot, maybe watching TV or mobile. Sleep is very important aspect of a lifestyle medicine. We should have 6 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Sleep will give us immediate as well as long-term effect on our brain as well as our heart. Third, I would go to stress. In this busy lifestyle, stressful lifestyle, there is no way we can avoid stress, but then we should find our stress busters. What can be our stress busters? You shouldn't go to alcohol or smoking. What you should do is find your stress buster in music, talking to people, having a pet, or going for a stroll. These are stress busters. As far as possible, try to reduce your stress. Fifth is substance abuse. As I said, try to stay away from alcohol, quit smoking, and do not even think about any drug abuse. Sixth, and the most important, is psychology. Positive psychology. For everything in life, we should have a positive psychology. That itself will give us a healthy heart and a healthy brain with a healthy lifestyle. And in spite of all this, if you do develop any heart disease, you should consult your doctor. Apart from lifestyle medicine, the next most important thing is preventive health checkup. I would suggest once a year health checkup, which would include a blood test, a panel of blood tests, ECG, chest X-ray and treadmill, which should be done as per your cardiologist advice. Now, after preventive health checkup and lifestyle diseases, if you still develop some symptoms like chest pain that is radiating to your jaw or your left arm, or any non-specific chest pain, or as simple as increased burping, because we have seen patients presenting with increased burping, those also end up with heart attack. So don't ignore any of the symptoms. Any symptoms that you feel is concerning, you should immediately talk to your physician, consult your physician and have a checkup. Our panel of experienced physicians as well as cardiologists are here to assist you for a stronger heart and stronger you. Thank you.